This is Falcon Ledge Residence, designed by Alter Studio Architecture, located in Austin, United States. Hidden in a forgotten ravine on the edge of Austin, a quiet structure rises gently above the trees. Falcon Ledge Residence begins as a subtle form in the wilderness, barely disturbing the land beneath it. As we draw closer, its slender profile reveals a home built with intention, compact, elevated, and purposeful. The building stretches outward like a bridge, connecting life to the canopy instead of the ground. From this vantage point, the forest becomes both a backdrop and a companion, shaping everyday experiences. Stepping inside, the living room opens with warm light and calm openness, inviting slow mornings and still afternoons. Soft wood panels filter sunlight into graceful patterns, creating a sense of privacy without ever closing off the view. Balconies extend outward, floating quietly among branches, encouraging reflection and quiet contemplation. In the kitchen, natural materials meet refined simplicity, making the rituals of cooking unhurried and grounded. The dining space becomes a place for conversation, laughter, and moments shared with the landscape always present. A sculptural stair descends toward quieter spaces, reminding us that this house is organized upside down, life held high above, rest nestled below. The bedroom unfolds with a gentle calm, its textures designed for comfort, stillness, and deep exhale. In the bathroom, minimal surfaces meet soft daylight, creating a sanctuary where time seems to slow down. Warm wood wraps the hallways, guiding movement with subtle rhythm, as if the house breathes alongside its occupants. A final staircase draws us back toward the outside world, each step framed by wood, air, and shifting light. From afar, the home appears as a quiet silhouette in the mist, rising from the land, but never overpowering it. Plans show a simple, efficient structure, minimal in method, rich in experience, built with care on a site once considered impossible. And from above, we see its full story, a slender tower held by nature, offering a life lived under, inside, and above the trees. Falcon Ledge Residence is not just a house, but a gentle invitation to live slowly, look closely, and find unexpected joy in the space where architecture meets landscape.